Have you ever wondered what will happen if two wild animals combine? Let's see what crazy hair breeds we can create. Now let's get into the details. I will show you step by step on how to bring these incredible hair breed animals to life. So we're gonna start with ChatGPT. So we're gonna get some prompt from ChatGPT. So this is the first prompt so that we can get the image that we need. So I'm gonna start with the second image. The second image is where the two animals are separate. That's where we'll be able to get two different animals. So we just copy the animals and then we're gonna go to Leonardo. We're in Leonardo. Let's just go to image generation and then we're gonna put our prompt here. First you need to change the model. So we're gonna change it to illustrative albedo and then we come here to put the. So let's just hit generate. This is the two separate animals. So we're gonna go back to a prompt again to ChatGPT and then we get the first. We're gonna copy the first prompt and then we're going back to Leonardo. So let's just delete this one, but we need to change the new model now. Leonardo Phoenix, then we put the prompt here. So let's hit generate between the two animals. So this is what came out. So let's just go to Meta and see what the Meta AI will create the images for us. Let's just go there. So this is the first image. It created this so we can just do comparison there. You can just compare the two and see which one actually it looks beautiful. So I feel like the Leonardo one looks more perfect. Even this one, you can choose whatever you want. So it's clearly up to you. So the first so what you can do now with this, you can just click animate. So look how beautiful this is. This is great. This is great. This is great. So you can just come here to download. Just click here and then you download. You just choose whatever the image that you want. So if you want to use the images from Leonardo, so you need to visit the AI website video so that you can animate these images. Drag the image. So firstly, let's just save that image. We didn't save it, so we can choose. I think I love this. Oh my god, let me just choose the first one. Doesn't matter anyway. Okay, then you're gonna go to video and then we drag the image or we just download it. So this is the image, so we just click open. So this is the image and then we're gonna come here to create a video. It's gonna take only 4 credits. So here is the video. Let's see. Look at that. Now this is great. This is also great, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that. And then you can also upscale. It's going to take another 4 credits to upscale. This is the upscale video. Let's just do the comparison. You can see that still beautiful, still with the higher quality. Let's see this one. So this is what this one is for, the high resolution one. Look at that. So you're gonna do the same with all the images and then export the video. So you're gonna use a clip champ for this. So we are on the video section. So you're gonna come to import the image. So you're gonna just go here so that we can be able to import the video. So we're gonna just take this, the first one, and then we just open. And then while we're still waiting, so we're gonna drag the video here. So it's gonna be like this, and then the image is not gonna take that long. It's just gonna be like for some few seconds. So let's swap them around. So this is gonna be here, and then this is gonna be the first one, and then we're gonna just move this here. This one. So we're gonna start with the image. The video will follow. So let me just show you how to add the music. So you can just come here to add audio, and then you just go down, and then you click on the music, and then you choose the music that goes with your videos. So I'm just gonna get something that is okay, epic. Let's see, epic, and then let's just listen to now this one. This one is also, it's only for the one with the yellow icon is for the pro version. So you're just gonna click on this one, and then when you're done, export. Just gonna use this 180p, and then it's gonna go to my computer now. I'm gonna leave you with the video right now, so please don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video. Up until next time, enjoy.